You just push this button right here, press, and turn it. So there's your weed whacker. Press it, turn it, there's your edger. So when you're doing an area where you got both in the same spot, you don't have to switch, tools. You don't have to grab another edger. You just do it right there.
Welcome to Life Was Ordinary. Subscribe.
I'll be honest, it's never easy coming home after a really nice vacation away. But it's a little bit better when you get to come home and there's a package at your door. The people at Wild Badger sent me this cordless brush trimmer and blower combination, 40 volts. So let's open it up and test her out. We got a lot of weed whacking to do. Now, before I get too far, as with every video I review, I like to show you the packaging. So in that big box you just saw, here's the trimmer and all of its parts, instruction manual. Here's the charger, the battery, and then this will be the blower. So I'm gonna read the instructions and get it charged for a little bit. Just for reference, this is what the charger looks like when it's charging. Let's wrap up another video. I really think it's a great deal for $160. I think $169, right around there. The coolest function about the trimmer is how easy it is to make it an edger. Hopefully that's coming out okay. You just push this button right here, press, and turn it. So there's your weed whacker. Press it, turn it, there's your edger. So when you're doing an area where you got both in the same spot, you don't have to switch tools. You don't have to grab another edger. You just do it right there. Overall, it's pretty lightweight. It's not bad for a cordless unit at all. It's got a nice handle here, which holds up pretty good. It's pretty strong. You got your safety button here, right there. So you push that and then pull the trigger. So I really like this. The blower is extremely lightweight. Push the trigger right there. And then you got a turbo up here, which gives you even more power. So you just push that little button up there and you got more. This blew everything I needed, I mean, with no issues at all. So honestly, for $169 price point, I think you would be very happy with what you're getting here. A lot of people spend that and more on just a blower, on just an electric blower, where you're getting this plus the trimmer at the same time. So overall, I think it's a really good deal, and I would purchase this on my own, and I'm grateful that they sent it to me to check out and review. Again, it's Badger brand. I will link this stuff in the description, and it did a great. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the camera and show you some parts of the yard that I finished. It's obviously several hours later, but it was really hot today, so I wanted the sun to start going down before I finished the video. So again, leave a comment. I'm really good at answering questions. If you have any questions on the product at all, go ahead and ask it. And again, thanks for watching another video. There is one thing I wanted to add. It is a self-spooler, meaning it continues to feed out as you're trimming. And to replace it and to refeed it is easy. You just push these 2 buttons on either side and this top cap comes off and you spool it. Real simple.